Welcome to Behringer Talks, the show where we answer questions that you, our customer, have using our over 50 years of industry knowledge and expertise. I'm your host, Britt Hansen. Join us every Wednesday as we discuss a new topic about our devices, our company, and related clinical topics. Today, we're going to answer the question, are multi-use bougies a cause for concern? A bougie is a flexible cylinder typically made of rubber used in bariatric surgery. In sleeve gastrectomy procedures, it functions as a sizing device for the stomach. Calibration occurs after the bougie is inserted into the esophagus and travels down until the tip reaches the pylorus. Hospitals utilize both multi- and single-use bougies. While manufacturers' recommendations for cleaning and maintenance require high-level disinfection of bougies, many hospitals do not adhere to these standards. Facilities are simply cleaning the bougie with soap and water in between uses. So, what are your standards for bougie checks? Studies revealed that most hospitals do not have checks in place. They have no record of how many times bougies have been used and only replace them when the damage becomes visible. Two significant issues that arise from multi-use bougies are: number one, the shape and structure of the bougie deteriorate with each sterilization. Inspection shows that just after one wash, the surface was scratched. In addition, bougies do not retain their initial curvature with constant cleaning. Number two, if hospitals are neglecting proper bougie sterilization techniques, cross-contamination becomes prevalent. A study done by Dr. J.M. Cupid revealed that half of the bougies used in the hospital were contaminated, some of which were also growing organisms from the tips. Among those included fungus, Staphylococcus species, and coliform. Cross-contamination has become so problematic that a hospital in La Jolla, California, was required to notify 385 bariatric surgery patients that they had not followed the proper sterilization process. Patients were warned of possible exposure to HIV and hepatitis and were encouraged to pursue testing. Behringer Laboratories provides a solution with VISIGI, the world's #1 selling calibration system. As a single-use device, VISIGI eliminates any concern about cross-contamination. Give your patients peace of mind and use VISIGI. If you have any questions about anything you've heard on our episode today, please visit us at behringerlabs.com. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Behringer Labs. That's BOEHRINGER Labs. Like what you hear? Subscribe to our podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts.